welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your name on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen in Snapchat. Then it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Once you're in your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now once you're over here at the top, you can see this option called name. Click on name, and then it's going to show you your current name. So this is my current name, YouTuber Kevin. Now if I want to hide my name, I can do this thing as well. I can basically change my name into something random which my friends will never know. What I can do is just change my name into something like this, and I'm going to remove the top name to something like this. And if I click on save, this name will be saved. And this is a pretty random name. No one will know what this is. But let's say you want to hide your name, which means you don't want other people to see name. It doesn't matter what name you type over here. You just don't want them to see your name. What you can do is, at the bottom you can see this option called the remove name. It's really small, but you can see it. Click on it. Now once I clicked on remove name, as you guys can see, in the name option at the top, it's empty. I just removed my name. You can do that as well. And let's say in the future you want your name to be shown again. You can just click on name again and type in whatever name you want. So I will just go for YouTuber Kevin, my previous name, and click on save. And as you guys can see, my name is set again. So that's how we guys can hide your name on Snapchat, by removing your name. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.